Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. In my last video, we took 1 step forward and 2 steps back. So we got some fixing to do. Another day, another video here at Monkey Wrench Mike. So yesterday I showed you how to take off that door panel and I fixed the window switch. Then I tried to roll down the windows and look what happened. Yeah, you know something's wrong and you can make the window go up and down with your hand. This is a common problem on these W203 Mercedes, the C230, 240, 260, 320s. The issue is the window regulator and a little piece of plastic that holds the window onto the regulator. So to get to that, once again, this is super easy to do. Just like the front door, all you have to do is pop off the handle. I'm going to do a much better job with my camera work today. Okay, put a little piece of plastic right there, a screwdriver, pop this off, and that comes off. You ready for a sound effect? Okay, then you have 3 Torx screws. These are 30s for some reason. There's one here, there's one here, and then there is one here. Before you can take the door panel off, you have to remove this little plastic trim, and it is right here. This is a T25. It goes right there. T25, unscrew that, that comes off, okay? When you put it back on, there's a little tab. See that little tab right there? That goes behind the door panel, okay? Right there, just like that. Bam. Okay. Then you have all these little white plastic clips behind the doors. You can reach under here with your hand sometimes, or you can get a screwdriver, pop it off, and this will magically lift up. Okay, one-handed video again. Look at that. Okay. Now behind the door, you have one window switch. This is the back door, okay? So you can unplug this, and then this sits right here. Push the white tab, boom, boom, that comes out. To get the handle off, this is the hook, okay? And it just goes right here. See how that little piece moves? The hook sits right there. The cable goes through right here. So you pull the cable up and out of the little tunnel, take the hook out, and the whole door panel comes off. These are the clips that I'm talking about right here, okay? These little dudes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. You want to kind of get near these with a screwdriver, pop them off, pop this out of the door without breaking these. Okay? Super easy, and look what you're left with. Now, to get to the inside of the door, super easy. We have a speaker right here that's held on with 3. They were T30 screws, okay? Right here, boom. Take that off, unplug it, and you got the insulation. This just lifts up. This has kind of been ripped right here. Oh, look. Ah! Ah! Okay, here's the problem. Right here is what goes up and down when the window, okay, when you want the window to go up and down, this is on a cable. This goes up and down, and the window attaches to this. Now, there is a piece of plastic that looks just like this, and it holds the window to the regulator, okay? The problem is this plastic gets old and it breaks. Here's what I found inside my car. It's a half a piece. I couldn't find the other piece. I don't know what happened to it. It's a half a piece. So, out with the old. Sound effects, ready? Okay, and in with the not so old. So a kind of old news anchor walks into the junkyard. What happened? He got a lot of cool stuff. Let me show you what I got, okay? I just got back from the junkyard, and when you go, you need to get extra pieces for other cars. So what I did, I got a couple of these little things. They will go right there on the door. This is for the other side, but that's okay. I got a couple of doorknobs, because you always need those. Okay, do you recognize these? These are the little white clips that every door has. Okay, so you get extra pieces of this, because they go right there. And usually what happens, they break when you peel this door panel off. Those will break. Okay, so I got extra pieces. I got a couple of extra little things right here that the bolts go into. They sit like right here. See that piece right there? See, right there. I got a couple extra of those. I always grab fuses. every time I go. I've got a great collection of fuses. I've got some extra speaker screws right here, and these are the screws that actually hold the door handle to and the door panel to the car. Okay, so that will go right there. This one is under the SRS plastic piece right there. Come on, camera. There we go. Focus. See that? Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Now, this is what we're talking about. I grabbed 2 of these from the back doors of another C-Class Mercedes right here. And the problem is these get old, they get brittle, and they break. Basically, it's a metal nut that's kind of embedded in this piece of plastic. Now, when I tighten it up, I got to be very careful because I don't want to break this metal nut out from the plastic surround right there. See, it's already cracked right there. Can you see the cracks? There, okay? So I'm probably going to use this one. And they had red Loctite on this. They did not want this to come out. So what I've done is I've kind of cleaned it off of this one right here. And I'm going to use blue thread locker right there and put that on. Okay, so first thing you want to do is turn the power onto the car, use your switch, and you want to get this little piece, this little window regulator arm right there to where I want you to look closely right here. See right there? That's where this screw thing goes. Okay, it goes right there. Come on, right here. See, just like that. Okay? Now, because the window is loose, all I have to do is kind of push on this carefully, carefully, carefully until it sits down right there. Okay? Right chair. Let me see if I can get this to stay up here. No, it's not wanting to cooperate. Okay. So there's a hole in the window. There's a hole in the window that goes right here. Okay, and that's what this goes through. Now, this piece right here goes, the window just fell. Yay! This piece right here basically just slides onto that arm, and the window is kind of here in the middle, and then you'll tighten this up right there. Okay, super easy. If you want to get new ones, these are literally $4 for 2 plus $5 shipping and handling on eBay, so $10. I think they were $1 at the junkyard, if I remember right. Okay, so let's play some music while I put this on and get this lined up, and once again, it's going to go right there. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Okay, we're going to stop because I made a discovery. Look at what you can do. You can flip this arm around, okay? This is the piece I'm talking about, okay? This is what, it just goes right here. See that? Kind of line it up with the holes. I want to say it goes like this because that seems to fit better. No. I'm going to go this way. Yeah, we're going to go this way. And then all you have to do, oh shit, oh shoot. Sorry, lady in the car with her kids. Sorry, sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay, okay, okay. Now look through the little window. See it right there? That's where it is. Okay, perfect. Now let's go back to fast motion. Well, we had to MacGyver something because the way this thing works, this, okay, this attaches to the arm. Let's pretend that this is the arm right here, okay? I'll go that way. So this attaches like that, okay? And then the bolt goes through there, but there's nothing holding the window onto this, okay? This is the little nut that comes out, and it's supposed to hold the window to that, but there's nothing big enough because the hole in the window is like that. So what I did, I got a washer that's bigger than the hole in the window, and I cut out some of this Velcro stuff because it's cushy and it's going to keep the window from cracking, and I cut that out, and then I put this between, like if the window was right here, I put this here, and then I tightened this up.
That was legitness.
To that. I'm sorry, you really can't see. Okay, so I did it like that, and then I held it with some pliers, and I gave it a couple of turns, and of course I used this thread locker right here, and I think it's going to work. I'm going to go ahead and order a kit and see if you get something that will hold the window. Okay, because if this was the window, there's nothing holding the back of this. But I think I've got it now. And watch. Okay, you ready? Ready? Listen. Oh, it works. See? Up. Up and down. Look at that. The windows on the Mercedes go up and down, up and down, up and down. The windows on the Mercedes go up and down all day long until my little piece right here breaks, okay, or the window breaks. I don't think that's going to happen. Okay, so now what we do is we put it all back together. So I'm going to reattach this. I got mad and ripped it off. Okay, we'll put this back on. We'll kind of tape it together. We'll put the speaker in. It goes right there, and then we put the door panels on, and we make sure that all these little clips right here are nice and good to go. All right, here we go. Okay, class, let's have a test. You remember, what's the weak spot on a Mercedes C-Class? Okay, other than the little plastic clip right there that looks like that after a few years. Okay, other than that, what could it be? What could it? Oh, look, it's the handles. Okay, these things always break. It broke on that one. It's broken on every single C-Class I've ever had. These parts, you can get a new handle. It's this piece right here and this piece right here, and the screws are 50 bucks from like parts.com, probably 45 from eBay. Okay, but you have to make sure you get the right color. So we know that's a weak spot. We're still going to put this in there because it's going to be fine until the new part comes in. Okay, basically all you do is kind of smack it. You smack it hard. And it's supposed to go in. There. Look. Okay. You ready? Now the piece de resistance. You ready? Look. It works. Yay. I don't want to do it too much until that Loctite or that thread locker locks down them threads. Okay? But job well done. We had to modify it a little bit with the washer and this little piece right there. But it works. All right, did you notice that little change of clothes there? Yeah, I actually just came back from the junkyard when I filmed this one, and then I went in and took a shower and got all nice and pretty for you. So that's why the shirts have changed, and I'm a little clean shaven right now. So anyway, thanks for watching. The window is working. It's time now to get this car tinted, and then we're gonna move it on down the road. We're also gonna start focusing on my CL500. Remember how ugly and dirty that thing was? That is coming up next. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please like, please subscribe, and please come back. Okay, bye-bye.